Well, wolf scare continues in Bahraich in Uttar Pradesh. In the latest incident, unfortunately, a 3-year-old girl was killed and 2 women were injured in a wolf attack that has been reported on part of the police. They have also been seeing as far as the searches that are concerned and on part of the forest officials as well. There is a pack of around 6 wolves, around 4 of them that have been captured so far. But there are 2 other wolves that still remain at large, and there have been several incidents that have been reported of many of them being children who have become victims to such wolf attacks. Let's in the meantime listen in to the DM on what he has to say on this latest attack of an infant now being a victim of a wolf attack.
ये घटना खैरनिया टेपरा की है। तो टेपरा में घायल किया है, तो उस महिला का इलाज चल रहा है। उसका ये रहता है कि 5-6 दिन के बाद वो अपनी एक्टिविटी शुरू करता है, तो इस वजह से वो अलग गांव है। तो इसमें अभियान में सबसे ज़्यादा दिक्कत ये आ रही है कि हर बार एक नया गांव चयनित हो रहा है और वन विभाग अपनी पूरी कोशिश भी कर रहा है। मुझे जल्दी उम्मीद है कि बाकी भी पकड़ लिया जाएगा। इसमें एक जो खरनिया टेपरा वाली घटना अभी जो है सूचित हुई है और वो CSC महसी पे उसका इलाज चल रहा था और अब ये उसे जिला अस्पताल पे भी भेजा गया है और बाकी ये जो मृतक वाली घटना है ये अंजनी की है।
Well, Adeep is joining us live right now. Adeep, several incidents that have been reported. Many of them have been children who have been losing their lives on such wolf attacks that have been reported. What is being said that there are at least 2 more these deadly wolves that are still at large, and there are attempts being made to capture them.
Well, definitely, Amita. See, last week the forest department team captured another wolf, and that was said to be the 4 wolves have been captured as of now. But there are 2 wolves that are still at large, and now what the forest officers believe that these 2 wolves are attacking the people in the village. Currently, the forest team was searching the area of around 35 kilometers in the Mahesi tehsil of Bahraich. But now, what the press reports indicate is that the wolves have changed the village, and this is a fresh location where the incident has taken place in which a 3-year-old child has lost her life in the wolf attack. And now the forest officers along with the district administration, they are spanning out the search area and they will be trying to capture the 2 remaining wolves. For this, multiple teams of forest officers have been deployed in the forest of in the villages of Bahraich along with the local administration and the police team. They are continuing search for the almost 40 days now. This has been 9th attack in a month in which so far around 8 to 9 people have lost their lives, and this is a fresh attack on 2 people in which a child has lost its life while another woman has sustained serious injuries, and she has been admitted to
so teams that have been formed as far as these wolves are concerned that have been terrorizing several villages there in Bahraich, and however there has been a latest victim, a 3-year-old girl who was killed in the latest wolf attack. For the moment, Adeep, thank you very much for joining in. We head into a short break.